Hey, how's it going? I'm going to draw a version of the imposter that is a little bit more cool looking, like very graffiti-esque art looking. But that's pretty much what I'm going to do here. This is Crayola brand marker, and this is regular printing paper. So the regular printing paper is just, easy. You can pick it up anywhere. If you don't have any of these supplies, go to the links in my description there, and you're going to see a link to all the things I suggest. And you don't even have to use a marker like this, Another thing is you can use anything you want. Another thing is you can actually just watch also. So let's jump into it. So I'm gonna curve this line here, over here, curve around the top, around the inside here, and I'm curving around that that visor that the crewmate has, But I mean, this is an imposter, so I want him to have like teeth, essentially. But let's just say with his tongue, he's going to pull down for kind of show that division of that tongue. Over here, out. And maybe some dashes there, it's kind of a stylized element. Angularly, because I feel like this is a little bit more graffiti-esque. And going over here, doing the backpack, and much more angular than that loaf of bread I usually do. And so now we have the general kind of outline, but I want to add more, design elements to it. So I'm going to draw like that and there, like a dot here, dot around the border here. These are all kind of design elements that are kind of found in graffiti. What that does, it kind of shows the form a lot more, makes it look a little shinier. And what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to do the talk about design. I put a design element like that. This one I kind of just freestyled the video. I was kind of very much like, you know what? I just want to do a fun one for myself. This is really, really fun to do. So I hope you enjoyed that. By the way, let me know if you want to do if you want me to do more of these kind of weird ones, like they're a little bit off the wall here. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you next time. Like I said, talk to me in person. Say my name. I mean, my name's Enrique. Talk to me in the comments. Say how's it going, or hey, tell me about, let's just say an issue you might have in drawing, and I'm gonna, you know, write back to you. I'll write back to everybody. Okay. Talk to you later. I'll see you later, Easies.